Meanwhile, Kalangut MLA and NGPDA chairman Michael Lobo held a review meeting in regards to PDA row in Panjim. Addressing media after the meet, Michael said that due to land scarcity in coastal areas, a comprehensive land utilization mapping was needed on an hour. He said that as of now, Goans were following 31-year-old drafted plan and new PDA was required to help self-employed people in the state.
Kandolim and part of Arpora was declared a planning area in 2014 December, means a decision was taken by the board in 2014 and final order was issued in January 2015. This area of Arpora, part Kalangut and Kandolim, Shinkerim up to Baga, full area, had to be in planning area, I think 10-15 years before, if we had to really do a good planning of this area. Better late than never, we brought this area in planning, under planning area, so that whatever land is remaining in this area, we make proper use of this land. Land which is scarce in our area, especially in the coastal belt, where lot of facilities had to be done for the people living in that area, for the tourists who visit this area during weekends and long holidays, international as well as Indian tourists. We had to plan this area in a proper way. The government says that tourism is increasing every year, and this is the area, the coastal belt, North Goa coastal belt, this is the area where the tourists come and stay. So for that we had to make a lot of provisions where the land was already the remaining part of the land which was there. या लँडान आमी कितलेशेच प्रोविजन केल्ले आहा आतां. जे लँड यूज मॅप आमी पयले स्टार्ट केले, द प्रोसेस ऑफ ODP when it was declared as a planning area, land use map केले आमी. We gave around 8 to 9 months to the people of this area, coastal belt, from Baga to Shinkerim, Kalangut and Kandolim. All the people, we informed them through media, through church, through temple notices, through panchayats, and told them to be part of the land use map. We will map your existence of your house, restaurant, structures, permanent structures. All permanent structures had to be shown on the land use map. So a lot of people participated and we came out with the land use map. And after land use map, we came up with a draft notification. We gave 60 days time for the people to suggest and object. And in the draft, a lot of things had to be shown. Lot of things म्हणजे जे कितें कलांगूट कांदोलीम बागा हे एरियेक नासले ते दाखोवचे पडले आमकां. लायक चिल्ड्रन पार्क्स, आमी चिल्ड्रन पार्क्स दाखयल्ले आहा इन कलांगूट एज वेल एज कांदोलीम. आमी जे सेवेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट जे आयज आमी बांदलेले आहा गव्हर्मेंटान, ते अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन आहा, ते आमी दाखयल्ले आहा. जो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट 1,20,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स कोमनीदाद ऑफ कलांगुटा कडसून तेंच्यांनी जो गव्हर्मेंटाक दिलो तोय आमी दाखयल्लो आहा. आमी एनिमल शेल्टर होम दाखयल्ले आहा. आमी अल्कोहॉलिक एंड ड्रग रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर दाखयल्ले आहा. दीज एरियाज आर लायक 10,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स ऑफ लँड विच इज रिमेनिंग इन कलांगूट. ही लँड मोस्टली ऑफ द कोमनीदाद ऑफ कलांगूट और कोमनीदाद ऑफ कांदोलीम ही लँड आमी मार्क केल्ली आहा. आमचे कडेन एकूच आयज ग्रावंड आहा जिंगा लोक फुटबॉल खेळटा, जे आमचे लोकल रेजिडेंट्स आर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल एट कलांगूट, which belongs to tourism department आणि which is taken care by Kalangut Panchayat. आणि ground ना आमच्याकडे. So we require at least 2 or 3 more grounds. So those grounds have been marked in the draft ODP of Kalangut. We have also marked a lot of other facilities like water harvesting area. We have marked community hall जे आयज गोंयान एकूच बरें कम्युनिटी हॉल आहा म्हणटा पळय ते तालिगांव GSIDCन बांदलेले तसले हॉल आमचे बार्देजान जावचे आनी कलंगुटान जावचे म्हणून आमी एरिया मार्क केल्लो आहा ताका रिजर्व केल्लो आहा आनी हे बरे प्रायम लोकेशनान नियरली 50,000 square meters of land is marked for this community hall and other recreational facilities along the community hall. Transport zone has been marked in Kalangut because Kalangut is the vehicles which are coming in Kalangut, which we do not want them to come to right up to the beach because there is no parking facilities. So we have marked a transport zone where all the outstation vehicles will come and station over there, and from there they will have to use our local cabs, rickshaws or tempo travelers to travel in the coastal belt. All these facilities are being marked. We have also marked market complex, health center and market complex. Kalangut village does not have a market complex. It has a very small, though village has grown so big आणि आरपोराचे लोक बसून थिंगा शॉपिंगाक येता, सालिगांवचे येता, सांगोळडाचे येता. सो आमकां थिंगासर एक बरो मार्केट जावचो, मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स हावजिंग ऑल फॅसिलिटीज ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट अंडर वन रूफ, just above that. So when people come for shopping, they can go to electricity department, they can go to water department, they can go to panchayat over there only, panchayat घर असू, तालाटीचे, म्हणजे all the facilities of the government, whatever is required for day to day, are marked under one roof. So these are the things which we have marked, and most of this land was orchard land or एग्रीकल्चरल लँड, कित्याक थिंगासर लोकांची जमणी आमकां एक्वायर करपाक जायना, पीपल वील ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड द कोमनीदाद ऑफ कलंगूट एंड कांदोलीम टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दीस डेव्हलपमेंट. जो तर डेव्हलपमेंट ह्या एरियेक जावपाक जाय लोकां खातीर, जाल्यार कोमनीदाद हॅज टू प्ले अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल, लायक दे हॅव प्लेड for North Goa coastal belt, right from Shinkeri, right from Arambol, Keri till काणकोणाची पासून गार्बेज, बिचा वयली गार्बेज आयज आमच्या प्लांटान येता, गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटान येता. This role is played by Kalangut Komunidad by giving their precious land to the government of Goa, and people of the area has supported this. We have also marked vocational institute, vocational training institute for the youth. We have also marked electricity substation, which we do not have in Kalangut. We are depending on Saligaon substation and Kandolim substation and Nagwa substation. One more substation is proposed. Multi-level car park we have marked. Around 7,500 square meters is marked for that. Indoor sports complex is being marked. So all these are marked in both the areas of Kalangut and Kandolim. The road which is shown as 25-meter MDR from Shinkerim up to Baga or up to Arpora, थिंगासोर इतली रेस्टॉरंट आनी शॉपां आहा आनी लोकांची घरां आहा आनी गेस्ट हावजीस आहा, तो रोड जर तर आमी करूंक गेले व्हडले जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी मोडचे पडटले. सो आमी हिंगासोर भासाभास करून पंचायतीचे रिक्वेस्ट आमकां येयल्ले आहात, बोथ कलंगूट एंड कांदोलीम, एंड ऑल्सो पिपल्स रिक्वेस्ट दॅट द रोड मे बी रिड्यूस एंड न्यू रोड मे बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड that is beyond the people where they are staying, touching the fields and the property. So we have marked a new road of 25 meters which not even one house will go, and the existing road is brought down from 25 meters to 15 meters, 15 मिटराचेर हाडला. आनी तेजे भायर आमी in that we will do footpaths, we will do parking at the side of the road so that nobody parks on the road. आदी एक हें आसलें की लोक येताले आनी लोक रोडार पार्क करताले कित्याक सायडीक सगळे कंजेस्टेड आसले. वी आर ट्रायंग टू tell the people that you continue with your business, but we want to do good infrastructure like footpaths and one side parking. So all these things we have taken care, and we have come out with this draft ODP of Kalangut and Kandolim and part Arpora, The area which is shown above is Arpora. And we are now back again asking further suggestion and objection. कित्याक जेन्ना आमी फायनल ओडीपी करपाक आहले तेन्ना सजेशन आनी ऑब्जेक्शन मागलेले लोकां कडले तेन्ना कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट येयलो. Code of conduct came and the process stopped just before the 2017 election. January आमचो 23rd was the last date. Before that, 1 month before that, code of conduct came and the process stopped. So this process with the government permission has started back again, and we have again given 60 days time for the people to give suggestion, objection. Now the last plan I am talking about, which we are referring, 2001 plan, was made in 1987. Means was RP plan जो आमी follow करता आयज थ्रू 1987 भायर सरलेलो, नोटिफाय जाल्लो, आनी तो आयज बसून आमी follow करता 2017 2018. So it has touched 37 years. 31 years we are following the same plan of 1987. And there are some political opponents who have lost election. They are तेणी कितें NGOचो फॉर्म केला आनी म्हणटा की हो प्लॅन नाका. 37 years आमी सेम प्लॅन फॉलो करता. आतां लोकांनी जी घरां तेंची धाकटुली आसली तेंचे कडेन आमचे गोंयकारा कडेन थोडे पयशे जाले एक्स्ट्रा, तेणी मातशें व्हडलें घर बांदलें, गेस्ट हावस केले तितून. वाय दोज हावजीस शूड नॉट बी रेग्युलरायज्ड? कोणे आपले पार्ट ऑफ द हावस तेणे आपले शॉप बांदले. वाय दीज हावजीस शूड नॉट बी रेग्युलरायज्ड? कोणाचो झोन आदीसून ऑर्चर्ड आहलो आनी ताका खबर ना आनी तेणे आपले आदीसून घर बांदलेलें आहा. वाय हीज लँड शूड नॉट कम इन टू सेटलमेंट झोन? So here this exercise is to help all those people who are standing on their own feet, who are doing self-employment business. म्हणजे आपण खुद एम्प्लॉयड जाल्लो आहा, आपण बिझनेसमॅन जाल्लो आहा by opening a restaurant, guest house, resort, hotel or any other shop or supermarket पसरो घालून बसलेलो आहा. तेका हेल्प करपाक हो प्लॅन आमचो भायर सरता. आनी हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता जे लोकांनी पासून कोर्टान गेल्ले की हो ड्राफ्ट ओडीपी इम्प्लिमेंट जो केला तो रॉंग म्हणून, आमकां कोर्टान सांगला यू डू द फायनल ओडीपी एंड इम्प्लिमेंट. आमी तेंकाय मागता की तुमी येयात म्हणून. हो प्लॅन आमी बरो प्लॅन तुमच्या खातीर केल्लो आहा. मातशे कितलेशेच प्लॅन गोंयान येयले आनी देर इज ऑलवेज एन ऑपोजिशन. सो लेट अस ऑल डू इट टुगेदर, ट्रान्सपेरंट मॅनर, सारके इन अ ट्रान्सपेरंट मॅनर. जे आमी ड्राफ्ट ओडीपी केला तेका फायनल करपाक जे कोण आयज ओपोज करता तेणी येवचे फुडें, तेणी येवचे, तेणी आपली सजेशनां दिवची, तेणी ऑब्जेक्शन घालचे. वी वील हियर देम. दीस ऑथॉरिटी वील हियर देम. विलेज पंचायत सरपंचीज आर देर ऑफ ऑल द 3 panchayats. Members are here. Deputy Sarpanch is here. ZP member is here. Let us all work together. Even if they say that we are a part of a NGO, whatever it is, come. If you stand on the other side of the fence, we will not know what is in your mind. You come here, we will hear you, and we will see that whatever good suggestions you are giving, we will incorporate them in this plan.